Hey, it's me again. At this point, I want to actually give you a crash course on cryptocurrencies. I teach a lot of courses on cryptocurrencies, how you can buy, sell, and trade them. But I'm going to tell you the basics that you're going to need when you're actually minting NFTs, because you're going to have to pay in crypto in order to mint your NFTs. More specifically, you're going to need Ether, which is the cryptocurrency that is on Ethereum, and that's what you're going to load into your MetaMask so you can actually pay for minting your NFTs. So let me tell you a little bit about cryptocurrencies really quickly so you understand. So what you're seeing right now is a website called coinmarketcap.com, which actually tracks the entire cryptocurrency market. As you will see, as of the moment of this specific lesson, there's more than 9,000 cryptocurrencies. But the ones I want you to focus on are Ethereum, which the cryptocurrency is actually called Ether. And I want you to also look at USD coin down here. Now you'll notice that the price of a USD coin is always at a $1 price point, because a USD coin is actually a stable coin backed by US dollars. So when you buy USD coins, it's not going to fluctuate in value. It's always going to be $1. So when you're minting NFTs, sometimes you're given the option to pay either in Ether or you're given the option to pay in USD coin. And there's other cryptos, but those are the two most popular. Okay? But let me focus on Ethereum, because Ethereum is the one that's mostly used. When you're thinking about ERC 721s and ERC 1155s, which we'll talk about also, those are NFTs that are built on the Ethereum blockchain. But for our purposes, what we really care about is having some Ether, because you need to pay, and you're going to pay in Ether. Now, a lesson I want to put to you from this one is you don't have to buy a full Ether. So what you'll see right now is that the price of Ether is over $3,000. And to tell you the honest truth is, you don't have to buy a full Ether. You can buy just a fraction of an Ether, buy $100 worth of Ether, $200 worth of Ether. Same thing with the other cryptos. Some people are scared of getting into Bitcoin because you're like, well, I can't afford to spend over $50,000 on a Bitcoin. You don't have to. In fact, most people don't. What you buy is a fraction of a Bitcoin. But let's talk about Ether, because that's what I really want you to get. So what you're going to need is actually get a hold of some Ether. You have the option to buy some Ether inside MetaMask. MetaMask gives you that option. Another option is to go to a cryptocurrency exchange, get some Ether there, and then send it to your wallet. It's actually an easy process to do. But what I want to give you is some options on how you can easily get started safely inside the world of cryptocurrencies. I want you to get some cryptocurrency, specifically Ether. Buy a fraction of Ether. Buy just maybe $100 worth of Ether, $200 if you really want to push it. But you're going to need some Ether in order to do some of the steps that we're going to go through in this course. And the way you can do that is to use some popular cryptocurrency exchanges. Now I'm going to give you some options, 3 specific options, so you're aware of these, because they're very popular. There's millions of people that use them, and they have a lot of safety mechanisms. They have insurance, there's customer service teams, so they're very popular platforms. The first one I want to talk to you is about Coinbase, and I'm going to provide you links for all of these in this lesson as resources. Coinbase is actually available in multiple countries. They have USD, your USD funds are actually backed by FDIC insurance. Your crypto is also backed by insurance. Very popular cryptocurrency exchange, very easy to use. You can buy a fraction of an Ether there. I've provided a very special offer also. You buy $100 or more of Ether using the link I've provided you, you actually get an extra $10 worth of Bitcoin in the process. So a good option for you to take that. Another option is Binance. There's Binance.com, which is available for international audiences, and in the United States, they have Binance.us. Now, Binance is also a very popular cryptocurrency exchange where you can actually get a lot of cryptocurrencies. Among them, Ether, which is what we're going to be talking about, which is what you're going to be using in order to mint NFTs, to buy NFTs, etc. The other option I want to talk to you about is Kraken, Kraken.com. And I've provided you links for all of these as resources so you can actually go, see what makes sense for you. And I encourage you to actually get an account in one of these cryptocurrency exchanges. Once you open it, you're able to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. So guess what? Now not only are you learning about NFTs, you've actually just learned how you can get into the world of cryptocurrencies. And the best part is you don't have to break the bank. You can actually just take a small amount, buy it, and you'll be in the world of cryptocurrencies. So once you've got some Ether, then you can go on and you can actually start minting your own NFTs. You can start buying NFTs. There's a whole world of opportunities for you. Let's go to the next lesson and make it happen.